Hi, how you doing today?
Hi Dale,
How are you this afternoon?
I'm doing good. I'm here to drop my vehicle off for service.
Awesome. How can I help you today, Dale? What are we doing?
Having a hard time starting in the morning. Is that something you guys can look at for me today?
Definitely. We are experts in that, and I will have my master technician take a look at it for you.
Okay, excellent.
Hi, I'm Terry. I'm the owner of Midwest Auto Care and Transmission Center. On behalf of all of us at Midwest Auto Care and Transmission Center, I would like to thank you for your business. We know that you count on all of us to keep your vehicle running safely, and that means the world to us.
Hi, I'm Katie, and I'm the customer service rep at Midwest Auto Care and Transmission Center. I'm the one you'll see at the counter welcoming you whenever you bring your car in. I just wanted to tell you some of the features and benefits of doing business with us. We do offer free preliminary inspections on your vehicle. If something does not seem right with it, doesn't seem like it's running like normal, bring it in. We'll start with that free preliminary inspection and see what needs to be done, where we need to go from there. We also offer a complimentary customer shuttle. If you would like a ride home or to work or wherever while we're working on your vehicle, we provide that at no charge to you with our complimentary customer shuttle. As well as complimentary loaner vehicles. If your repair is going to take a little bit of time or a couple days, we won't leave you stranded without a car. We do have those loaner vehicles we can get you in so you can go about your normal business. We also have interest-free finance options. Trying to pay for a repair is never fun. We do provide options that are interest-free to make that easier, depending on your situation and your repair.
Patty Soroki, and I live in Hobart. The lounge, which is wonderful.
Thank you.
I always wait, even though there's a shuttle service. I always like to wait if it's just the oil change. I have never been in an auto repair shop that has been this clean. I mean, you really almost could eat off the floors.
Thank you.
And I appreciate that too.
Yeah.
My name is Teresa Petruska, and I live in Lake Station, New Chicago area, and I am a home-based psychotherapist. The honesty and the integrity, because your service people do the job that needs to be done. They let me know what is upcoming and expected to be done, and maintenance that I need to do to maintain my vehicle without unnecessary work being done. I like the familiarity. I like the fact that I know that your company has good integrity, and I like that when I call and I say, "This is Mrs. Petruska," "Oh, hi, how's you?" And the familiarity. I also like the community involvement of your company. They are involved in a lot of community things to support the general community. It's nice to have a neighborhood service. It's not a big corporation. I don't get lost in the system. I'm not just a number, I'm a person.
Yeah.
So that's a really, really good thing to have.
Thank you for your business.